In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice on QuickBooks Online. Applying a credit memo can be an essential feature for managing customer accounts and ensuring your records are up to date. Whether you've issued a refund or applied an adjustment, credit memos help keep everything in balance. So let's dive into it. First up, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're already familiar with this, go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. If QuickBooks Online is your go-to for business finances, you'll know how critical it is to ensure every transaction is accounted for correctly. Once you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Now that you're in QuickBooks, look towards the top of your screen and click on the New button. This is your starting point for creating anything new within QuickBooks, from an invoice to, in our case, a credit memo. After you've clicked New, you should see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Credit Memo. Selecting this option will bring up a blank credit memo form ready for you to fill out with the necessary details. Next, you'll want to add the customer for whom this credit memo is being created. Click under the customer field and either select the applicable customer from the list or type in their name. It's crucial to ensure you're applying this correctly so it's reflected on the right account. After selecting the customer, the next step is to add the product or service for which the credit memo is being issued. You'll find a section labeled Product Service. Clicking here will allow you to itemize or add specific products related to this credit memo if needed. With the product and service details sorted, the next part is straightforward, adding the amount. This part involves typing in the amount that corresponds with the credit being issued. Be sure to double check this number for accuracy, as errors here could lead to reconciliation issues later on. The final step in this process is to save and send the credit memo. You'll notice a Save and Send option at the bottom of the form. Clicking this not only saves the credit memo to your records, but also gives you options to send it out to your customer, either instantly via email or saved for later communication. And there you have it, you've successfully applied a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This process will ensure that your accounts remain precise and your customer records are up to date. With practice, this task will become a streamlined part of managing your business finances. Thanks for joining in and happy bookkeeping!